This video is sponsored by Lido. Thanks again for supporting the channel. I'm going to show you how to convert bill of lading PDFs into Excel automatically. Now, for this example, this is the bill of lading we're going to use. I've got 2 pages here, and these are actually pictures, as you can see, of the documents. We'll show how the OCR tooling can actually extract information directly from images like this. And I've got these saved into a PDF, so it's a 2-page PDF that we're going to work with. Now over in Lido, I'm going to create a new file, and you'll see this. This looks just like Excel or Google Sheets. I'm going to call this bill of lading example. And you've got all the normal stuff in the top toolbar that you would expect to see in a spreadsheet program. What makes Lido special though is the old extract data button right up here. This is where we can pull in data from all sorts of different sources. We're going to upload that bill of lading PDF. And what it does here is it analyzes everything in the document. It's going to use its OCR imaging tool to actually look through and think, and it's going to show us what it thinks we want to extract. So right down here out of the gate, we've got different things that it's pulling in. These are the column headers that it's creating for us automatically: bill of lading date, shipper and consignee names, description of goods, quantity, total amount. If we wanted to get rid of one of these, like, I don't know, let's get rid of the quantity, then we can just delete this right here, and you can see that it automatically updates in our spreadsheet right here all of the things that are in our auto columns over here. So if we wanted to add that back in, quantity, then we could add that back in, and there it is in our sheet. So everything we have here as a column, it's going to pull data into from the sheets. If we delete stuff out of here, it will pull in less data. If we have specific instructions for the AI, we can write them down here in the extra instructions dialog box. A lot of times I don't even use this. I don't find that it is needed in cases that are pretty straightforward. Let's just delete that, see how it turns out on this extraction. And then finally at the bottom, if you have multiple items or multiple rows per document, check this. That's if you have line items on several different things on each PDF, it'll extract them into new rows in your document. Let's come up here and let's process the files, and it's going to start doing the processing up here. It doesn't take very long for a document like we're using. You can also add up to 100 files at a time to this little click to upload, and you can process multiple documents at the same time. We're just using that 2-page PDF to pull in data over here, and you can see that it's already done that. It's got the shipper name, consign name, description of the product, and you can increase your width of the column so you can read this better in here. So once we've analyzed the document and extracted the values from the PDF, then we just export it to Excel. We open that up, and we've got an XLS file right here that's ready to be used. Here's all our information for any data analysis that we need to do. Now, I like that Lido makes this a straightforward and fast process. Also, when you're dealing with these bill of lading documents, if you're doing this manually, you got somebody typing in details from one document into Excel. You just introduce the human element of error. You can take that away here, and even in handwritten documents and stuff, this is going to extract the data pretty accurately like you need it to be. If you're interested in checking out Lido, I do have a link in the description below so you can go see if they will fit your business's needs. Hope this has been helpful for you. Have a great day.